Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to install Krita on your Mac. Whether you're using an Intel Mac or one with Apple Silicon like M1, M2, or M3. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, Safari, Chrome, or any browser you like. In the address bar, type krita.org and press enter. This will take you to Krita's official website. It's always best to download software directly from the source to ensure it's safe and up to date. Once you're on the home page, click the download button at the top of the screen. You'll be taken to the downloads page, where several versions are available. Since we're installing Krita on Mac OS, click on the Mac OS option. Then, click the button labeled Download Krita Mac OS Installer. This will begin downloading the .dmg file. Depending on your internet connection, the download might take a few minutes. While that's downloading, here's a quick heads up. Krita is a free and open source digital painting software loved by illustrators, concept artists, and animators. Whether you're just starting out or working professionally, Krita has the tools you need. Once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the file named something like Krita xxx.dmg. The exact version number may vary. A new window will open with the Krita icon and an Applications folder. To install Krita, simply drag and drop the Krita icon into the Applications folder. This will copy Krita to your Mac and install it like any other app. After the copy is done, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash. Now open your Applications folder. Find Krita in the list and double-click to launch it. Now macOS might show a warning since this app was downloaded from the internet. Don't worry, this is normal. Just click Open to continue. And that's it. Krita is now fully installed and ready to go. You can start creating amazing digital art right away. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more software guides and tech tips. If you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating with Krita!